Yeah, yeah. I'm a fucking walking paradise. No, I'm not. Fucking tell your bitch she could fucking come to my spot. Tell her that my fucking dick is feeling real hot. Tell her she better fucking ride it non-stop. Like she fucking riding a pony or she fucking riding a horse or she fucking riding a fucking something. I don't know, but I ain't fucking bluffing. I swear your bitch come over here, I'll fucking give her something straight up. I ain't fucking kidding, straight up. But I ain't no fucking J. Cole, man, you can shut the fuck up. But I fucking flow suckier than his ass. But fuck it, bitch, I in your fucking ass. Damn, somebody pass me another fucking glass, cause I'm fucking losing my mind, cause I want that ass. Damn, I fucking want another blunt, fucking pass it to me. No, I'm just kidding, I'm talking to myself. There's nobody here, cause I'm just talking to myself. And this other fucking bitch is acting like she want somebody else. Like, bitch, we been texting all the fucking time. Where the fuck you fucking been? God damn it, you don't hear me whine. Can't come over here, you looking like a 9, cause I haven't gotten some in a fucking long time. Even though you ain't that fucking fine, bitch. But it's alright, it's alright. Fuck it, still hollering at these bitches day and fucking night. But somehow they don't come over here, they're not in my sight. But it's alright, it's alright. I still fucking roll the dice and I fucking gamble, yeah. And she fucking tell me that she's a fucking mammal. I mean, she's a fucking beast and fucking shit. I tell her I'm a beast too. I tell her I'm a beast too. I tell her, baby girl, bring your friend, I could do too. I swear I fucking could. I swear I fucking could. God damn it. Who the fuck is in my hood? Nobody, cause everybody fucking scared of this motherfucking somebody. I walk around like I'm fucking nobody. I'm just kidding, maybe I am somebody, cause I ain't fucking fit. But I fucked it up again. But baby, you were 10, and I swear I fucking was eating like I'm fucking going lesbian. I mean, I'm not going lesbian, I was fucking eating a fucking bowl from the fucking bowl. Damn. And you's a fucking hoe, and you fucking ain't give it up to me, yo, and you ain't my fucking bro, we ain't fucking lighting that fucking shit up in the motherfucking road, oh, but I know we fucking do it, shit, you could bump it and screw it, and you could fucking chop it up, and you could do whatever the fuck you want, but I don't give a shit, I'ma just fucking stunt on this fucking instrumental. I fucking lost my mental a long fucking time ago. I called the fucking doctor and see if he could fucking bring my fucking brain back. But he said, you know what? Just chillax.